Hey everybody, this is Arturo, and I want to share with you what we did for spring break. Our friends invited us to a farm and there was so much to do. So join us as we explore Underwood Family Farms.
Hi guys, where are we going?
To a farm with our other friends over here coming with us. Well, Arturo, it was my friends who invited us. My classmate Rumi and his pal Gianna. Their moms told us about this farm. Look, we feed them for free? Yes! Look, let's go! Yes! It was not free to feed the animals. The food cost 25 cents, but it was worth it. We fed these cute Emils and baby goats. We also saw ducks, turkeys, and even these beautiful bighorn cows. My mom let me go inside one of the pens to brush the hair of the sheep and the goats.
What sets this farm apart is that it has plenty of activities for us kids. We spent a lot of time in the bubble area.
That was my favorite part. Mine too, Rumi.
We also got to play on the tractor-themed slides.
Then our friend Gianna arrived and we took a tractor ride.
The tractor ride was so fun and bumpy. Smaller kids could ride the bumblebee tractor, which I hear is more smooth. As we drove, I loved feeling the wheat in my hands.
I got one!
Because it was near Easter, we got to participate in their Easter egg hunt. Each egg had a small candy in it.
So many eggs.
I'm excited.
We had a great time finding eggs. Before we left, we got to do something I've never done before. Pick strawberries.
These strawberries were so ripe that I couldn't wait to eat them.
If you enjoyed this video, like my brother enjoyed these strawberries, please like and subscribe.